Easy wash out deep conditioner when you have protective hairstyle, which is today I'm going to be washing my hair with protective hairstyle on without opening. So I'm just going to use my aloe vera deep conditioner, and I just wanted to share with you guys how I use to have soft and really elastic and also very fast super hair growth. If you know me by now, I do not skip on wash day my deep conditioner. That is because I have very frizzy and dry hair. Even if you don't have frizzy dry hair, and then really important not to skip deep conditioner on wash day because it's beneficial for your hair. Your hair get hydrated, and then when you put moisture, any deep moisture or oil is easily absorbed and then get elasticity in it, and then your hair won't get breakage easily. With that being said, please don't forget to clean your aloe vera properly to remove the poison. I keep saying this one, I always repeat, because in the past I did make mistake and then it's been irritated to my scalp. So make sure you clean it properly before you use your aloe vera. Just aloe vera, you don't need anything else, and especially if your scalp is itchy. Oh my god, this is really handy, and then you feel so good after you washed out even your deep conditioner. So I'm just going to massage it properly. You're going to see like 2 minutes obviously in this video. I'm gonna massage this one like for the next 15 minutes non-stop. My hair, as you can see, is very lovely and nice outside. I just gonna massage it and leave it for the next 1 hour, and if I please I can leave for 2 hours as well, and then I'm just going to wash it out. It's very easy to wash out, so you don't have to worry it's going to be in something like that. So if you think this remedy was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give thumb up this video. Until next time, bye.